Hey guys, I'm MJ. Today I'll show you how to fix the error of configuration progress in MS Office. It usually happens when you install more than one Office like 2003, 7 or 13 or 16. When you open the Office, it will configure your Office. So how to fix this problem? Let's start. Here I'm going to open Office 2007 Word document. Okay, look at that. This will happen whenever I am going to open again and again. I really hate this, so I want to fix this problem. So let's just close this. Okay, so I will show you how to fix this problem. Just give me a second. First I will close this. Okay, okay, so now go to your PC and then click on your operating file system like C drive, and in the C drive click on program file and click on common files, and then click on Microsoft Share, and here just search for Office like 11, 12 or 15. I will take 12, and now click on Office Setup Controller. Okay, that's it. And here you can see the setup file is shows. So just you have to rename this. Just right click and rename like this, and I will give it like old. That's it. Okay, so now close this all thing, and now try to open the Word or Office file. Look at that, the problem is gone now. The error is fixed now. There is no showing the configuration progress. So I will open the Excel file. Okay, okay, done. So you can't face the next time problem when you're going to open configuration progress. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank